Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is just a short or mini orchid haul um, from the Sawgrass Nature Center. They have a orchid and plant sale over there this weekend, December 5 and 6 I think. So I just have a small orchid. Well, I think it's small. um, because I already have a lot. Okay, so I also did a quick or short clip of the venue there, and it's not a lot, but yeah. I'm sorry I've been busy lately. I wasn't able to do a lot of videos, and because of my plant, my orchids have quadrupled in size. I've been busy when taking care of them during cold temperatures, and plus I also work, so it's very hard for me. I tried to do a video and then it didn't make it to the posting, so yeah. It's just very busy. It takes a lot of time taking care of them. I wish I can just leave them outside, but it get very cold, like 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius. So yeah, but actually I have plants bare root mounted. I left it outside. So far they did okay, but we're gonna have another dip in the dip of low temperatures in 37 degrees again in a few days. So I don't know if they can stand it another one again. But the others, I left them outside. I left the others I covered. So um, hopefully I have a chance to walk you through it, to the plants that survive for me. But yeah, anyway, this is the plants I got from the plant sale. First we're gonna talk about this one. This, I know I have them in my wish list, and I just saw the name. I found it there. I saw the familiar orchid vendors there, but there's a lot more than that I'm not familiar with vendors, orchid vendors there, and plant vendors. So that's why it's just a short, quick video. I tried, but anyway, this one is from Orchids Amore. This is my Cattleya Tristar Bouquet Purple, and yeah, this was in my wish list, so I grabbed it. But then when I look it up and look up the crosses, I realize I already have this one. But the one I have, it's also I got a few months back from Nate's Orchid, and it's a little bit smaller than this, but this one is a big one. I think I got this one for I think there's a price here somewhere. It's 35. Oh, here, size, the price. Yeah. So yeah, mostly I got some of my plants from Orchids Amore, but there's Ritters over there. I got one plant from Ritters. There's also plant there's orchids in bloom over there. There's Crawl Smith, I think, over there, accent orchids, and yeah, and there's a few, and orchid supplies, and yeah. So I also find like $10 orchid there, or $20 bare root, even bandas. So yeah, if you can go visit them, yeah, it's gonna be nice, to go out, and after that you go sightsee the areas there, the beaches over there in Coral Springs, Florida. This one is actually $10. I have one hand holding the camera, so yeah, it's still in the plastic. This is Dendrobium Rambo. I don't have this, and saw it. It's like a twisty petal, strips of twisty, kind of brownish petals, so I got that one. So that's $10. And then yeah, they're still in the plastic. This one is also on my list, so when I saw it, okay, I need to expose the plant. Oh, I also forgot to mention Sorowa orchids was also in there. And there's another vendor, I can't remember, but yeah, there's some vendors over there of orchid vendors. And I also got this as a plant stand. This one I always look for a long hanger because I have, you know, pergolas, so I need hangers to hang my hanging orchids. So I got this one for it's $2 each. But this one here is a plant stand that is $40. Yeah. So I got that one too. So I like the way it's arranged. Like that way, if you put the plant, I probably use plastic, more on plastic, but you can probably use a clay pot here. But I like the way it's arranged because this doesn't fall on another pot there, so that when you water it doesn't drip to your other orchid. So yeah, I like that one, how it's arranged. So yeah, okay, I got it out. So this one's from Orchids Amore. So these are my picks because yeah, it's up to you. You know, others probably you have your own choices or likes and dislikes on the flower or orchid. So these are my choices. So it's Siam doll. So I've been looking for this. So we'll see. I probably have to repot it once springtime comes. So yeah, there's a lot of beautiful orchids over there in bloom. It's up to you. Sometimes it might be very pretty and big, but it just doesn't call me. So you know, sometimes it's all there, but I didn't pick it to buy it. So yeah, it's actually up to you what your likes and dislikes with the plant, how it grabs you. So but this is the one that you know, that I like. So this one here is from Redders, and they have a lot of plants there, but because, you know, others I already have. So this is the one. This is like a yellow, cheesy color yellow. It kind of almost the same for like my one gold number 2, something like that. But this one is a little bit smaller compared to the other one. So this is my BLC Xing Ying Gold Mine with a double N. So yeah, so this is it, guys. I only got 4 plants, which yeah, I was hoping I won't get any more, just to just visit the place and all that. But yeah, if you got time, yeah, go look and check them out, and you might find something interesting there. And yeah, and also support our vendors. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like my choices, and I'll try to do some more videos if I can. And yeah, I'll be busy again taking care of the orchids since it's dropping to 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's probably like maybe, I don't know, 3 degrees Celsius if it's in Celsius, or 4. So yeah, it's really cold. So we'll see. I'll be busy protecting these plants. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye now.